Hi, I'm from Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll talk about exactly how to get audio on Google Maps so you can clearly hear navigation directions while driving or walking. It's simple to fix if your sound isn't working. Now let's get started. Step 1, turn on your phone's volume. Make sure your media volume is turned up, not just the ringer. This ensures you can actually hear the voice guidance from Google Maps when navigation starts. Step 2, adjust your Google Maps settings. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the app, then go to Settings and select Navigation. Here, check that mute audio is turned off and make sure guidance volume is set to normal or loud for better clarity. Step 3, review Bluetooth options. In the same navigation settings, check the box for Play Voice over Bluetooth if you want the directions to play through your car's speakers. This is especially useful when using Android Auto or CarPlay. Step 4, check your Bluetooth connection. Make sure your phone is connected to the correct car or Bluetooth device. If it's not properly paired, Google Maps won't send the audio through. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful Google Maps and tech tutorials.